Presenting number 5. What are we doing for 5?
Woo!
Let's see. These are very weird words.
Milk.
Yes. Let me see.
Slime.
Milk cereal. Interesting. I can't wait to open all these.
It's just white.
It's just white. Well, what color's milk?
White.
Unless you add chocolate, then it becomes chocolate covered brown. All right. So milk cereal. These are very interesting slimes, right?
Mm-hmm.